In this video, I will show you how to change the color scheme of the admin profile in WordPress. First, we'll log into your admin account, then hover on the username at top right corner, and then select Edit Profile. Then in the color scheme options, select the color combination that you like the most. For the purpose of this example, let's select blue, and then let's update the profile. Now it should be reflected in the admin panel for the admin username. But in case you have another username in WordPress, for example, let me go to all users, and I have another profile, and I set a role as a shop manager. I want to change the color combination to something different. So let's click on edit, and for that profile, let's set the color scheme as sunrise, and then let's click update user. As you can see, it's not visible yet simply because I'm not logged into that profile, but let me log out from admin and log into the Nick profile. Nick. As you can see, the color scheme in the Nick profile is set to red. So I hope you found this WordPress tutorial useful, and for more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.